नमस्ते and hi everyone. आज म Instagram को viral dahi bangan recipe बनाउन लागेको. I always wanted to try this recipe, so here we go. Start slicing some eggplants. आफूलाई जे शेपमा लाग्छ त्यस्तै गर्ने. Little bit of turmeric powder, chili powder, salt and little bit of oil हालेर मजाले मिक्स गर्ने. मिक्स गरेपछि हामी eggplants लाई shallow fry गर्ने. अनि shallow fry गर्दा make sure to cook really well on both the sides. अब तड्काको लागि chop some onion, green chili, take some curry patta, rye and jeera. अब oil heat भएपछि rye, jeera, curry patta, green chilies and onion हालेर भुट्ने. You can also use dry red chili. Now alikati hardi ra red chili powder halne. Now aiko shallow fry gareko eggplants ma yogurt lai alikati salt halera whisk garera यसरी हाल्ने. अब हाम्रो तड्का मसाला हालेर mix गर्ने. अनि mix गर्दा चाहिँ be very careful, be gentle, don't do it like I did. I did it with my hand and ended up breaking few pieces. Looks like a bharta. Anyways, my yogurt eggplant recipe is ready and I'm gonna eat it with some plain rice and some green chilies on the side like I always do. So yeah, this recipe is very tasty, comforting food for summer, quick and easy to make with simple ingredients. So while I enjoy my food here, why don't you guys give it a try and let me know what you think. Bye for now.